Who doesn't like a burrito? That's what I would like to know. That's what I would like to know. Who doesn't like a burrito? Because hey, and welcome back to Bourbon and Burgers. Today we're going to make something pretty special. It's easy. I want to show you how to make it. You can do lots and lots of different things with this thing, that's for sure. As long as the little lady likes it, you're gold. You can make these things in 10 minutes and I tell you what, they're gone. So today we're making burritos. And we're going to do interesting thing. These are from St. Lawrence Market. They're delicious. They're hot Italian sausage, but they're very hot. So I'm going to take those guys out of the sausage casing and throw them in the pan. I'm going to mix it with these beautiful balls of medium ground beef. Let me let you in on a secret. Medium ground beef is what you want to make your burgers out for the rest of your life because fat is flavor. Trust me on that. So we're going to combine all these guys so we don't blow anybody's head off. A couple more things we really need to make a burrito. A burrito is a jalapeno, okay? And some gorgeous garlic, yep. And some grated cheese. You know, the old... We'll do that later. Lettuce, onion, and don't ever forget to go to pottery class and make a cool little dish that you can put sour cream in to show people and say, I made this. I made it. It's an original. True story. And it matches my beer of choice. Pretty stylish, huh? I knew you'd like it. Without further ado, let's go over to the saucepan and get meat sizzling. Let's do it. Okay guys, we got hot pan right here. Very hot. Now, we've taken a bit of a moment to slice these guys open. I like one for one, so we're going to take these guys apart and get that meat in this pan. Let's go. Let's go, guys. There we go. We're going to stir it up in a minute. And I like to introduce 1 to 1. One burger, okay, and that's going to work well. It's going to give us the fat we need. Okay, mix it up. I wish you could smell it here right now. Don't be afraid to bring out this thing. Yes, it gets used. That's why it's a mess. I like to fry the onions, so I chop them up. Careful you don't cut yourself. Just do it. I don't know. I don't know how they do it on TV without cutting fingers off, because I'm not that guy. But in any case, it's all we really need. We just need to get them like, you know, these big chunks. Choppity onions, choppity onions, choppity onions, choppity onions, nice. That's what we do. This, you mince the garlic, you mince it beautifully. Who doesn't like a little bit of garlic, especially like that? See? That's where we're going with this. And it's boring, so I won't bore you. Come back later, she'll be all done nice. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. We're gonna keep doing the cheese. All the cheese until the cheese is gone. And guess what? We're gonna go get some more cheese too. Be right back. Jalapenos. I like them chopped a little bit. Not too much, not too much. Just a little chopping, just a little bit. Not too long, just so they're nice, just so they bounce around. When you're building the burrito, you don't want to have big gigantic things that can rip the burrito shell. That's why. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be appropriate, very appropriate. It's gonna be lovely. We're looking really, really good here, guys. This is what you want, okay? You want to have some nice brown. Underneath, everything is really good. It's pretty high heat, okay? So enjoy that. One thing I'm not digging is there's a little bit of a, let's see if I can show you here, a bit of extra oil in here, okay? I'm not excited about this extra oil. So what I do, this is just me, pop some paper towel in there and just soak up some of that. Turn the heat down while you're doing this, make your life a little easier. I'm gonna soak up some of that oil, okay? That's what I want to get done. I'll move it around. It's not sexy, I know, but it's effective. So now we've just gotten rid of a ton ton of extra oils and greases. We're back and everything is really tidied up in here nice. There's a million ways to get this job done, but I like to take our beautiful onions and just get them in there. We'll get the heat back up and get those guys rocking. Gonna mix it all together. Mix it all up nice. Now it's time to introduce a special guest, the garlic. At this time, I'd like to introduce something very special. It's called the pepper. Just to bring it up a notch. Okay, filling is done. Let's get it out of this pan. Why, you might ask? Because I like it to get into a smaller vessel where it can spend some quality time developing juices. Oh, I just tasted it, by the way. Unbelievable. Unbelievable! I like to cover this. Okay, team, this is the exciting part. You take this beautiful tortilla flour and the pick a side, doesn't matter, let's just do that. I like to take a bit of cheese, I like to throw it down around here. I'll tell you why in a minute. I like to take our incredible filling. It's incredible. It's juicy, the juices are at the bottom. I like to stir it up a bit, and I'm gonna just pop that right in here. Just gonna pop some in here. Pop a little more in here. That's enough, that's probably fine. We can make lots, a little more cheese, a little bit of jalapeno, and of course, let's not forget this guy. You know, sour cream really is an important part of this dish. So what you do now is you try not to get your fingers too clammy. I like to call it clammy. I'm going to roll this guy up a little ahead of it. I'm going to pull it back. You can see there we're tightening the situation up so that we're able to fold the sides in, one side, another side, a little more on this side, and we're able to do this. And look at that. All of a sudden, we've got something that looks like you bought it out of a package, but you actually made in your house. Another step with this now, this is not done. This is not to be eaten. No, 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 no. This has got to go in the pan on a bit of butter so we can brown it on both sides and melt the goodness that's inside. Here's what it looks like now. Wait till you see what it looks like later. You see this? This is going to flop open and fall apart. We can't have that. There's no room for that in this kitchen. So let's get this done right, and we'll see you over at the stove in a second. That's it. You know what time it is? It's time to get those burritos into this pan, frying in some butter. That's the trick. You want to fry them in some butter in the pan. Let's do it. See if we have any butter. We have butter? We have a little bit of butter. That's all we need. We got too much heat, I'll tell you that right now. So let's get that going here. That's it. Just a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Just get it moving around, moving around, moving around. Move around the pan. Would you please move around the pan, son? Move around the pan. Move the butter around the pan. Do what you gotta do. I'm not talking about Japan, I'm talking about the pan. And then, you take your beautifulness and you pop it in. And pop it in. No, not that, pop it in. I forget which one I put the jalapenos in and which one I didn't, but guess what? It doesn't matter. I'm going with this one. I'm going to tell you what it tastes like right now. Boom. 10 more, garçon. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm waking up every morning. I got a little more views, a little more subscribers, a little more likes, which I like. And I don't know what's going to happen with this thing, but it is what it is. It's fun. Love you. Peace out.